If you can't be consistent with posting content, it's not because you're lazy or something, it's because you are not organized very well. So you have a system problem, and here it comes how you can solve it. If every time you want to post a video, you start from scratch, like you find an idea, choose a topic, start recording and so on, then of course it takes longer and you will feel exhausted after the process. Instead of that, try something called batch recording. You pick one main topic, then you create 4 to 5 videos around it, not 5 random videos, one topic and 5 different angles. Then you record all of these videos in one session, maybe on Sunday or so when you have free time. During the weekdays, you just focus on editing the videos. But editing also takes a lot of time. It is optional, but you can use AI tools to speed up the process, or you can outsource it to a video editor if you have the budget or if you are ready to take that step. At least one of these things, either batch recording or outsourcing editing, will speed things up. And when you achieve to speed up things, then you can start posting more consistently. But now you might say, I even waste time with finding new video ideas every single time. To find new video ideas easier and faster every single time, I will also show you some methods in the upcoming episode. If you don't want to miss it, and if you are a beginner creator, don't forget to follow me.